coming in at this hour where yet another state to extend its lockdown measures is the state of Haryana, where the curfew-like restrictions will continue till the 24th of May. This is the latest announcement that has been made by the state government, that Haryana has now extended its lockdown by another week. By 24th of May, the lockdown has now been extended in the state of Haryana. Of course, as far as door-to-door screening in the rural areas is concerned, this is the latest initiative that has been now taken up by the state government. But also to note, as far as the lockdown-like restrictions are concerned, the curfew-like restrictions are concerned, they will continue in the state for another week. The similar announcement that was made in the adjoining national capital too, as the lockdown that had been extended for another week. Now it is the state of Haryana which has extended the lockdown by another week. Till the 24th of this month, Haryana will continue to remain under lockdown. But the lockdown that has now been extended till the 24th of May now. Amandeep getting us more details. So, like Delhi, Haryana too extending its lockdown, Amandeep.
Exactly, Amita. The point is that they are not able to control the situation the way they are wanting. And in fact, no doubt there is a fact that Haryana is facing a decline in cases, but still the worrisome situation is there. The number of deaths are being reported every day, and that is even the positive cases are coming in a very massive number from the rural areas as well. So that is why the Haryana has decided to extend the lockdown till 24th of May. Restriction will be imposed in the same manner. Night curfew will be imposed in the state in the same manner, and SOPs will be same as it was earlier also. All the non-essentials will be closed. No public gatherings, no religious gatherings, and no political gatherings. And even the wedding and the funeral are in very limited numbers. So restrictions remain imposed till the time they are not able to control the situation, just because most of the cases are reported from the districts bordering to Delhi. And in fact, the rural area is another surge. So now they have initiated the door-to-door screening and sampling in the villages, and meanwhile they have also extended to lockdown to break the chain of the COVID-19 cases in the state of Haryana. Yes, Amita.
So Haryana extending its lockdown till the 24th of May. Amandeep, thank you.